quick end to this video. Rack is in, rack is done. What I'm doing now is doing a very rough and ready suspension alignment using a string gauge, which is basically a frame that I've mounted on the front and the back of the car with a little builder's plumb level that runs down the side, and then you can measure from the wheels to the string to get it about right. I won't go into detail because there's plenty of videos on the internet, but this is the technique I use for doing the race car, and it works brilliantly so long as your wheels are straight. So these are the decent 14-inch recently refurbished alloys. All I've done is centered the string across the rear axle, centered the string across the front axle, and then I measure from the leading to trailing edge of the wheel. I've kicked this, so it's all out of line now. It doesn't matter because I've basically done the car. But yeah, you basically measure from the center of the wheel to the center of the line, trailing edge, front edge, and that's how you can adjust, or that's how you can see the results of your adjustments. I've set it straight. I think they run slight amount of toe in, but as I say, this is just to get the thing rolling nicely. Right, I'm going away now. Bye.